parent, B parent. So here we'll see how to draw transition function or a graphical notation for this language. So let us take states Q0. So here, see, based on this logic, we need to draw this. So first input symbol Q0 on A. So Q0 on reading this input symbol A, we are changing that A to X and move towards right side. After this, so in between, so you need to move till B, right? First B. So mark first A, first B, second A, second B, third A, third B. So in between this A and B, you have A's. So when we have this A's, you need to remain in the same state and keep that A as it is and move towards right side. Similarly, so this is for step 1 while solving first A, first B. When you solve the second A and second B, in between you have A as well as Y. So we already wrote A condition. So write Y. If you get Y, keep that Y as it is and move towards right side till we get second B. Fine. After this, now take input symbol B. If input symbol is B, mark that B with Y and move towards left side until you get this X symbol. So again, while moving backwards also, here if you observe, again you will get A and Y while moving from Y to X. So write conditions for A and Y. If you get A, keep that A as it is and move towards left side. If you get Y, leave that Y as it is and move towards left side. Next. So now we are at input symbol X. Okay, we already moved here. So when we reach this input symbol X, you need to read one symbol. So move one position towards right side. Okay. And you need to keep that X as it is. So move to initial state. When input symbol is X, then keep that X as it is and move one position to right. So here if you move one position to right, we have third A. Okay, you need to fill that third A also. So X remains as it is and move towards right. So why this is taken as a loop? Because same process, that means changing this A to X and changing B to Y. This process is same until this complete tape is filled with X and Y's. So you need to repeat the process for any number of A's and B's. So we kept this loop. So after filling the complete in all the input symbols A and B with X and Y, this is the last representation, right? So based on this, what we need to do here, after reaching this Y, say suppose we reach this Y and this tape is already filled. Now you need to move back again until we reach this last X. So after writing this third B with Y, you need to move back until X, this last X, and you need to keep that X as it is and move towards right side until you get this blank space. So that means we are moving from this last X to blank space. So in between we have Y's also. So you need to read one symbol at a time and until you reach this blank space. So when you get Y, keep that Y as it is and move towards right side. And let the state be Q3. So we moved one position to right. Okay, that is the logic which we represented here. Similarly, there might be any number of Y's in the middle. So take one self loop and write it as Y. If input is Y, keep that Y as it is and move towards right side. And finally, So you'll repeat this until you reach this blank space. So when you get this blank space, leave that blank space as it is and move towards left side. Okay. So this Q4 is your final state. So this is how we need to draw a transition function for this given logic or for the given language A power n, B power n.